This
real-time, near
conference will
real-time
now be
schedule.
recorded.
Yeah. Yesterday we discussed about real-time integration.
Orchestra.
Yes, real-time integration. What do you mean by real-time integration and near real-time integration?
When the event is triggered, there is an immediate response. While event is triggered only, it is responding
It's alive.
live.
Oh, exactly. Schedule-based or batch-based integration. Batch-based, batch-based integrations, right? So we discussed about these three types of integrations. Okay, whenever if you like the live or when the event is triggered, when the event is created, the same moment the boom, there is an immediate response, so then we will call it as a real-time integration. If there is some delayed
Real
response
time.
or event like some queue systems are following, then we can say it is a near real time integration. And the schedule based, if you are in a particular time period, if you are scheduling any integration, then we will call it as a schedule based integration or batch based integration. Okay, so now, and what else we discussed? Orchestration. Orchestration, what do you mean by orchestration?
It's combining this.
Yes, it is a process of combining this distinct set of data into a single service, right? So yesterday I told you
It's
that
aligning
we are already,
process.
yes, no, combining different set of data into single service, right? Into a single service. Okay, if you are combining different set of data into a single service, then we will call it as a orchestration. Boomi follows this orchestration. Boomi follows this orchestration. Okay, and no, why this orchestration important? Because see, there is a we are not dealing with the different applications, right? We are dealing with the different applications, or we are getting the different type of data. Then we are sending those data into different application systems, right? So for this, there is no, there might be a one different, there need one different orchestration is required, and combine different one streamline, one streamline is required. The streamline is nothing but a orchestration. The streamline is nothing but a orchestration. Okay, so now, and so today, and one more thing, Boomi is a multi-tenant architecture. Boomi is a multi-tenant architecture. What do you mean multi-tenant? It is very very important. Multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant architecture. What do you mean by multi-tenant or single tenant? Multi-tenant means a
More
single
than one
instance.
user accessing.
Yes, very good. A single instance of software. Guys, this is very very important. Please focus here. What do you mean by multi-tenant and what do you mean by single tenant? How we can use this multi-tenant architectures? Everything is very very important. Okay. Now, Boomi is a multi-tenant architecture. What do you mean by multi-tenant? Means a single instance. Okay, single instance of software can be used by multiple users. Multi multiple users. What does it mean? Multiple users or multiple accounts. Okay, for example, I will give you one example. Let's say you are staying in a 3 bhk flat. Okay, your friends all are staying in a, there are three friends. They are staying in 3 bhk flat. Okay, what is the common area for this 3 bhk flat? What is the common area?
Hall.
All living
Hall
area.
is the common, right? Hall hall is a common area, and kitchen, right? Kitchen kitchen is a common area, and they have three friends have their individual bedrooms, right? Individual bedrooms, like, until and unless one person is giving to the response back to other person, the other person, like, for example, one friend is there. He is, staying in their individual bedroom. The other two persons will not enter until and unless this person giving the giving the permission to enter into his room, these two persons will not enter into that particular bedroom, right? So same way Boomi also is a multi-tenant architecture. In a single instance, this single instance, so 3 bhk is a single flat, right? It is a single flat. In this single flat, three members are staying. This three members are staying, right? Same way Boomi is also a multi-tenant architecture. Okay, it is a single instance of software, which means the software is provided Boomi is the same for all the users, right? The software which is provided by Boomi is same for all the companies who are using the Boomi software, right? It's not like that TCS, the Boomi is providing different features to TCS, different features to Infosys, different features to some XYZ company. No, right? It's not like that. So the Boomi is giving same software, same features, same all the security, same licensing cost, all are same for each and every software, whoever purchasing this Boomi software, right? Now you can say sir, everyone is using same software, then there might be overlapping, right? There might be overlapping, or there might be some security issues will come, right? It's not like, it will not come like that. See, until and unless this person is not giving no permission to enter this other person to in his room, then there is no chance of entering into his room, right? Yes or no? Same way, like, if for example TCS is working same software, IBM is also using same software, some HCL also using same software, right? So see, TCS having same own data and their own security, their own uh, boundaries, and IBM also having their own boundaries, even though they are all are using Boomi software only. They, even though they are all using same same software Boomi, but they are working their individual accounts, right? Their individual permissions, their individual boundaries, right? They are, it's not like that. If TCS using Boomi and the same software, like, used by IBM, there is no chance of getting the overlap or getting the data issues or security issues. So Boomi is such a tool. It is giving the boundaries or security to their data. I don't know if you remember that day I given a example of 128 encryption data, encryption, right? Encryption. Okay, whatever the data is, Boomi is, the Boomi giving the security is 128 as encryption to their own data, like, whoever, individual accounts. For example, TCS is using one account, and that account cannot be used by IBM. That account cannot be used by HCL until and unless this TCS is giving permission to this other persons, right? S- Same way. So that is called as a multi-tenant architecture. Multi-tenant means multiple users can be accessed. Okay, multiple users can be accessed by a single instance software. Okay, this single instance software can be used by multiple users. Yes, clear? Boomi is a multi-tenant architecture. Clear? So I will tell you, I will show you here. So this is our Boomi software. What is the URL to log in into Boomi? And one more thing,
Platform.boomi.com.
Platform.boomi.com.
very good. And single instance, okay, single account. For example, TCS is purchasing one account. Okay, TCS is purchasing one account for their no business. In a single account, we can add multiple users. Okay, we can add multiple users, into single account. Okay, how we can add, this is very important, please focus here. How we can add, see, this is a single instance of software. Boomi is a Atomsphere platform, okay, where we can build our integrations, deploy our integrations, and manage in our integrations at a place, right? So this, for example, this is my account. Okay, and this place, what we will call this place, all the
Component
components.
explorer.
Very good, component explorer. And this place, whatever the code we are developing,
Process canvas.
Canvas.
process
Canvas.
canvas. Very
Process
good.
canvas.
Yes, and this one, what are the shapes will be residing? The place we will
Shape
call it
panel.
as a shapes palette.
Shapes
Very
panel.
good.
Palette.
Okay, very good. Very good. So now this is a account, right? This is a account. We'll go to settings, and here this is account, Sweta Nayak account. This account information. Okay, whenever you are installing this account, the Boomi will give you with a training account. So this is a Sweta account, right? So here, so this is a one software, right? This account created by Sweta. Now if she wants to add in this our account, she wants to add no, multiple users in this account, then we can add. How we can add? Go to settings, click on settings. As I mentioned, as I mentioned here, in a single account multiple users can be accessed. A single account can be used by multiple users. Okay, we can add multiple users into a single account. Okay, this is my account. In this account, if I want to add multiple users, it's not like that. For example, in a TCS, 10 employees are there. Okay, 10 employees will work in a 10 different accounts. No, right? These 10 employees will work on a same account only, in a single account, but they can have their individual, okay, their individual permissions, like they have their individual login credentials and all, but they can work in a single account only. Okay, now if I want to add multiple users into this account, I can add. Where we can add? Here we have a settings. If you go click on settings, either you can go into user information or account information setup. You can come here, and here we have a user management. Okay, user management, click on user management. Okay, now you can see here, add and maintain users, add and maintain users, assign roles and privileges to users. Okay, see here we can add multiple users. For example, I want to add some other users. Let's say I want to add Anand. Okay, Anand at the rate some gmail.com. Okay, Anand dot gmail.com, and I can give Anu, and the second name I can give Kumar, something like that. And like here I different roles are there, like different roles for Boomi, administrator role, event stream, those
Pawan,
we
you
have different
told
roles.
all the mails.
Sorry,
You told all the mails created in email, right?
all, sorry Amani, you are saying something.
I'm Parvati.
Yeah, Parvati,
Hello.
yes, sorry, yes, Parvati, please tell me. Yes.
You told all the mails created in emails, right?
Yeah. So
But you
very
to,
good question.
but you
Yeah, very
typed
good question.
the gmail.com.
Gmail, right? Yeah, that one I will clarify you.
Yes.
So whenever if you are creating a new account, okay, for example, here I give I created account with the name Sweta.Noyak at the rate RIT Solutions, right? So this is my email address. This is my email, right? This is my company email.
Okay.
So now whenever I'm creating this account, okay, whenever I'm creating this particular account, I need email. Okay, I need email. So now account is created. Okay, this account is created. Now I am giving permission to different users use this particular account. Okay, this single
Okay.
account can be used by multiple users. That is what I am telling here, right? So we can add multiple users into a single account. Okay, into a single account. Okay, don't be confused here. Single account. Okay, this is my account. Okay, this is my account. Now I want to, if I want to give multiple if I want to give permission to multiple users this account, I can give. So like I given the same example right here. So for example, TCS wants to use Boomi. Okay, now the Boomi is this TCS purchased one Boomi account from Boomi account from Boomi. Now here TCS will not give no TCS will not purchase. For example, 10 employees are there, so TCS will not purchase no individual accounts for individual employees, right? It will purchase only one account from the Bhumi. In that single account, it is going to give permission for this 10 employees. Yes or no? Like
Yes.
if it is not like that, then no, they need to purchase 10 accounts. The cost is, for example, for single account is no, they are costing 1 CR. Okay, now they need to
So
spend
only the
10.
designation will change there.
Sorry,
Only the designation will change there. The same account.
designate. No,
Means,
designate.
uh,
It's not related to designation and all. It's related to account. Okay, for
Yes.
example, okay,
okay.
I will tell you. I will tell you a small example. Okay, for example, you people are attending. Okay, you people are attending into my session, right? So here this is the one account. Okay, this is a one account. In the and one account all are accessible. Okay, what whoever joining in this account, who all are accessible this account, right? It's not like that, this person whoever I'm
Okay,
teaching to
multiple
you,
users will be there. That's it.
multiple users can be access this single account. It's not like that, each and every user can accessing different accounts. Okay, this is a link. Okay, for example, this is a link. Let's say consider this as a account, Boomi account. Okay, purchased by Pavan. Okay, this is a Boomi account purchased by Pavan. Okay, this Pavan feels that whoever thus Pavan wants to give permission to multiple users. He can give this username and password, and he will add those some details. Then the particular person can be access this account. Yes or no? You
Yes,
are
yes,
getting
yes.
my point.
Okay, got it. Got it, got it.
Yes, I got it.
Parvati, you're getting my point.
Yes, I got it. Yes, I got it.
So only the one person will be a license holder, and others he can issue a
Exactly.
license, means
So
sub
Yes.
license to others to use that one.
Designation, no
exactly.
problem, whatever.
It's here depending. Now he is my administrator. You know Sweta Nayak is the owner for this particular account. Okay, he is he is the person. She is the person who account holder or account owner. So now whoever wants to give permission, she wants to give some permissions to different users, then she can use. Okay, for example, let's say Parvati, can you tell me your Gmail address?
Parvati,
Sorry,
Parvati,
Parvati.
Gogada, Gogada,
Yeah.
Gogada,
Okay.
3 at the rate of
3 at the rate of gmail.com, right?
gmail.com. Yes.
Now here I'm giving some Parvati. Okay,
Yes.
Parvati, and see, I'm giving some Gogada. Okay, now you can see I am giving here. I am an administrator, right? I am a leader for this. I am a owner for this account. Okay, what are the permissions I want to give to this particular account, particular user? I can give. I can select this users. Okay, now if I click on OK, now she can see an email was sent to user containing are their login credentials. Okay, now she can use her own login credentials. Now Parvati, you can see your Gmail, you get a one account. Okay, saying that you are
Okay.
welcome to the Boomi account. Okay, so now you can log in
Okay,
into
now I
this
understand.
account. Yeah, now you can log in into this account by using your credentials. Now these are all the roles and responsibilities I've given to her. Okay, so if I want to
Okay,
give
whatever the
some
provisions you have taken, she can access that one.
exactly. So now I want to give Anand.
Okay.
Okay, now Anand at the rate gmail.com, let's say at the rate gmail.com, some. Now I can give okay some ABC. Here I can give some
Yes, Pavan, I
XYZ.
got it mail.
You got right. So like that. So
Yes.
I'll okay, now I'm giving only. So now I added one account here, Anand at the gmail.com. So now in a single account we can add multiple users. Okay, now she can she can see this all the details. Now if you Parvati, if you open this, you can see all these details. Okay, whatever the
Okay.
versions you can doing here, we can do. We can see all these things. Okay, so I'm telling that in a single account we can add multiple users. In a single account we can add multiple users. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
Okay, and it is a single tenant. It is a multi-tenant architecture. Boom is a multi-tenant architecture. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, multi-tenant means I will give you a small example. So for example, if you want to
No.
publish this process to multiple users, then here we have a browse process library. Process library is the place like multiple users can be accessed, like different processes will be there. Okay, these all the process can be accessed by multiple users, I mean multiple accounts, but the connection details, data security might be there. Okay, data security might be there, but this these all the process can be used by multiple accounts, multiple users, multiple accounts. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
Perfect. Okay, anyone have any questions or any doubts still here? Anyone not understood anything? Because it is very important. Boomi is a
Yesterday,
multi. Yeah.
Hello, Pawan.
Yeah, please.
Yesterday, you connect the start node data, you connect the one branch, it will create the two nodes. Once again,
Sorry, I didn't get you. Yesterday.
yesterday, you will connect the one branch point.
Branch.
Yesterday,
Yeah,
Yesterday
like
you
yes,
will connect right start no data and stop.
yes, it will
He's
connected
asking.
two node.
yeah, okay.
It
Okay,
will,
don't worry. We will discuss each and every just for your understanding purpose. I explained you. Okay,
okay,
like yesterday, but don't worry. I will teach you again starting how we can start the process. To start the process, what are the things we need? Everything I will teach you. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this is a process. See, yesterday I told you that we, instead of coding, no, we will not write any coding. We will write no, we will use these shapes. Okay, here we can see set properties, different shapes I am using, right? Different shapes I am using to get the data, like to develop our integrations. Okay, instead of coding I am using these shapes in a such a manner to achieve our integrations. Okay, see here what are the shapes over here. We are using those shapes only, we are developing the process. Okay, to start our integration, how we can start, where we can start. Okay, to start, what are the things we require, how we can going to configure them, everything we are going to discuss, don't worry. Okay, but understand the Boomi is a multi-tenant architecture. Boomi is a multi-tenant architecture, which means single instance of software can be used by multiple users. Okay, and in a single account we can be add multiple users also. Okay, in a single account we can add multiple users. Yes, clear.
yes, clear.
Yes,
Clear.
Pawan.
Yeah,
Suppose branch and root clean in some,
yeah, we will
all
I
are,
will explain. I will explain each and every shape, don't worry.
okay,
I will
okay.
explain each and every shape.
We,
Okay, where we need to use, how we can use. Okay, while while using, what is the
yes,
purpose
yes,
of using, and how we can going to configure this. Okay, it's not like that we will just drag and drop, right? Okay, we are not just dragging and drop. We need to write some code, right? I mean, writing the code means we need to configure some things. Okay, we need to add some configurations and all, right? We will do. Okay, I will explain, don't worry. That is our course, right? That is what our course here. Okay, if you learn each and every shape, then your learning of Boomi is completed. If you are understanding the each and every shape, your learning of Boomi is completed. If you are understanding where exactly we need to use this each and every shape, that is your learning of Boomi is completed. If you know where exactly such a fashion. Okay, we have in front, right? In a plate we have each and everything. We have a curd, we have a rice, we have a ghee, we have a chutney, each and everything we have in our plate. How we are eating is an important. Okay, how we know with such a manner, how we are mixing them, how we are eating them, how we are grabbing them, these are important. Okay, we have everything in our plate. Okay, no need to worry about the things. We have everything in our plate. How we are using them, how we are not using them is an important. Okay, okay, don't worry, we will teach each. That is what our course, right? We will teach each and every shape over here. What are the shapes we have, we are going to discuss each and every shape. And again, yesterday I told you that we need to create a components are nothing but a bricks, like it's a component
bricks,
the
yes.
of bricks. Without the bricks we cannot able to build any wall or any building. So to build our integrations, these bricks are very important, these components are very important. So we will not discuss each and every component over here, like 90%. I'm not telling that each and every point component we are not discussing, like 90%. What are the things important for integration and API management, those things we are going to discuss. Okay, this is what our course, guys. This is what our course. Anyone have any questions or any doubts? Okay, actually I have some work I need to drop. Okay, I want to drop